Two streaming powerhouses, Max and Sling TV, both promise top-tier entertainment. But which one really delivers? On the left, it's Max. Epic originals and blockbuster movies all in one place. On the right, Sling TV, customizable live TV for cord cutters who crave flexibility. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's what we're looking at today. We'll break these two down based on price and value, content and channels, on-demand library, streaming features, live TV and locals, and, of course, customization and flexibility. So, you've got the map. Let's start exploring. So first up, let's talk about price and value. Because who doesn't want to keep a few extra bucks in their pocket, right? Starting with Max. It's honestly got a pretty low standalone cost for just streaming on demand. No hidden fees, which is super refreshing. But no live TV, and you can't bundle or customize, so you're sort of stuck with what they give you. Now, Sling TV steps in with plans as low as $20 for Sling Select, which is wild. It's usually cheaper than traditional cable, especially when you look at the orange or blue plans, starting at around $45.99 a month. Oh, and here's something cool. Their free stream offers more than 400 totally free ad-supported channels. But just a heads up, those costs can really creep up if you start stacking add-ons, and that first month discount, yeah, it's gone after that. For price and value, Sling TV takes the trophy. All right, so let's get into content and channels. With Max, you're getting all the HBO originals, big Warner Brothers films, DC stuff, even Studio Ghibli. So if you're a movie nut or want to binge premium series, Max is loaded. They've got kids stuff, documentaries, the works. The flip side, no live sports, no cable channels, and not tons of reality or news options. Sling TV, though, is all about customization. Sports, news, channels for kids, you name it. You basically build your own package here. Want ESPN? Go orange. Want football and FS1? Go blue. And you can even tack on premium networks, including Max as an add-on. Downside, though, sometimes you actually need multiple packages and add-ons to get your full channel lineup. And for some folks, CBS or other locals are just missing. Honestly, this category is a tie. Depends what you're after. Next up, on-demand library. Max, hands down, is sick in this department. It's got a massive library of blockbusters, tons of acclaimed series, and those exclusive premieres you can't get anywhere else. Plus, if you hate ads, who doesn't, most tiers are completely ad-free. Only catch, it doesn't do current season TV from networks, and if you missed a live show, there's no replay. Sling TV has on-demand too, mainly for recent network shows and whatever extras you add by tacking on channels. But honestly, the library is way smaller than Max, and you're going to see ads unless you pay up. So, for on-demand stuff, Max is the clear winner here. Oh, by the way, here's a quick fun fact before we wrap up. Did you know Sling TV was actually the first big live TV streamer in the US, showing up way back in 2015? Pretty cool, right? Meanwhile, Max is all about those huge movie premieres, straight from the theater to your couch. Streaming features time! Max comes out swinging with up to 4K Ultra HD on some titles, multiple user profiles, and downloads for offline watching, depending on your plan. The streaming's just smooth, barely ever hiccups. Still, you'll only get 4K on a handful of titles, and device limits depend on your tier. Think 2 to 4 screens at once. Sling TV, on the other hand, gives you cloud DVR, starts at 50 hours free, more if you want to pay. Plus that classic pause, rewind, live TV magic. Nothing beats skipping commercials on live sports. They let you stream on between 1 and 4 devices, but here's the kicker. There's no 4K. Like, Max is out at 720p to 1080p. And if you want more streams or DVR space, yeah, pony up some more cash. Their app can be a bit confusing if you're just jumping in, too. So, streaming features? This round's going to Max. Okay, now for live TV and locals. And look, I'll be real. Max doesn't even play in this sandbox. No live TV, period. Sling TV, though, this is kind of their whole thing. You get live sports, news, tons of major cable networks, plus ABC, Fox, and NBC as locals in some big cities. Sometimes they even hook you up with a free HD antenna if you want more local coverage. That said, not all local channels are available. no CBS at all, and some markets might need extra fees for your favorite local news. But overall, if you want live TV, Sling TV sweeps this one. Last one, customization and flexibility. You want simple? Max keeps it chill. Just sign up and start streaming. But if you get bored easy or want more control, there's really no option to tweak your lineup or add extras. Sling TV, though, is all about mixing and matching add-on channel packs, throwing in premium stuff, or even trying out FreeStream for free internet TV. You can make it as basic or as stacked as you like. Downside? Those add-ons, man. They can make your bill kind of wild if you're not careful. For flexibility, Sling TV is the clear king. If you map out all the scores, it's pretty clear where each shines. Sling TV dominates in price, live TV, and flexibility. Max, on the other hand, is the beast for on-demand movies, streaming quality, and that ad-free experience. It's a classic trade-off, depending on what you're after. So here's the bottom line. If you're the kind of person who just wants big movies, hit series, and a streaming experience that feels like your own personal cinema, Max is calling your name. But if you're leaning more toward cable-style live TV, sports, and building a package just how you like, Sling TV is probably your best bet. It all comes down to what fits your binge style. That's it for this showdown. If you found it helpful, stick around because we've got plenty more streaming battles coming up. Compare, cut the cord, and hey, start saving yourself some cash in 2024.